Ciao guys, today I'm going through the most complex phase of building any model ship, applying the first layer of planks on the bulkheads. As I already anticipated in the previous episodes, I'm going to follow the given instruction as much as I can to see if there are any steps that might be too hard or not that comprehensible for a beginner model maker. The keel you see me applying at this point is made of prarwood. It will be reinforced later on with other two parts made still of prarwood. Even though prarwood is a very hard wood, be sure to handle this with care. Before starting to apply the first planking, I noticed that the planks do not have all the same thickness. At this stage, this does not bother me much, to be honest. What I do is to use the thickest planks first, as the curvature is more pronounced on the top. The first planking of the Sherbourne of 1763 by Vanguard models is just for filling purposes. It does not have to be perfect since it won't be visible at the end. No filling between planks seems to be required thanks to the 17 bulkheads and other smaller fillings in the bow section. The instruction warns that you should be able to fit at least 12 planks for this model ship. I did not trim the planks at the stern section of the model. A slight trim is required for almost all the planks at the bow level. The instructions don't mention to lay the cardboard plank, but I find this to be a useful step to follow in any model ship I build. The last plank is the hardest to apply, but take your time and won't be a rocket science project. I cut it to shape without using any particular guide. Some adjustments with a light sanding paper are required at the end of the process. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider subscribing to the channel. I saw that more than 85% of you who watched my video didn't subscribe yet. Tagliamare exists only thanks to its subscribers. So if you like what I do, if you like my content, please consider subscribing to the channel and to like my videos to support me. Thank you and goodbye.